Inside this rather battered box is an Eleglide electric mountain bike. It's the M2 or Mopride 2. Now, I wasn't going to do any more review videos here on this channel. That was until my daughter hinted that she would like an e-bike for her birthday. And literally 2 or 3 days later, Eleglide got in touch with me and said, "Hey Mel, we love your channel. Would you like to do a review video of our brand new mountain bike?" So because it is my daughter's birthday, I thought to myself, why not say yes to doing this promotional video? So this video is dedicated to my daughter, Joanna, for her birthday. Right, let's get it out of the box, take a look. Now, although the box has taken a bit of a battering, I do hope the bike has survived. Now, of course, the state of the box is no reflection on Eleglide. It's purely, I would assume, the fault of the couriers. Have a look at this. It is rather battered. Let's hope it's packed well. Nothing's broken inside. Ooh, fancy. Have a look at this. This is pretty well packed. There we go. So it's got loads of foam. Let's get around here. Looks like it's got plenty of foam around it. It's well protected. Yeah, even the sheep agree. I think that's the battery there, so I'm going to get that out first and get it on charge. What's the specifications, I hear you ask? 36 volt, 15.6 amp hours. That's not bad. It's not huge, but it's not bad. I've got an indicator on it. Oh. Yeah, it's pretty well charged up, so no need to worry about that. Right, we might even be able to go for a ride on this tonight. There you go. Oh, can't really see much, can you? Hang on. Surprisingly light as well. One thing I've noticed, there's no mud guards. But I do believe on their website they're extra. Maybe that's why it's so cheap. Oh, that is nice. Oh, I love that fresh saddle smell. Looks to me, all we need to do is put the front wheel on and the handlebars. That is it. That's all. Oh no, hang on. Got a headlight to put on yet. I thought I was done then for a moment. Hang on, have I got the front wheel around the right way? Hang about. Hold the phone. I think I might have made a mistake here. I think that looked quite right. There we go. That's better. Easy mistake, right? Anyone can make that mistake. Yes, there we go. I do like the fact it comes with a little headlight on the front as well. That's pretty quality, that is. Look at that. Let me just check I've done this front wheel up tight enough. Now that it's standing up. Yes. bits on there. Okay, so now the M2's fully assembled. Let's switch it on. Look at that, straight away, no messing around. We're at 87% battery. It's set on kilometres an hour. Power is 0. Let's just change that straight away. Quite simple to navigate. I've not even looked at the instructions and I've worked it out straight away. Really simple, very intuitive. And if this isn't enough for you, it does actually come with an app that you can download on your phone and you can control everything via the app. Okay, let's lock up the van and take this for a spin. Hang on, me on it. It's a bit dusty. I haven't ridden the bike for a while. Let's go. I'm not kidding when I say I've just pulled away in top gear and that motor handled it perfectly fine. Absolutely amazing. What a lovely leisurely ride this bike is. Really surprised. Oh, that's nice. I think the gears need a bit of adjusting. They do kind of feel a little bit clicky. Let's turn that one down. Yeah. And I'm doing 25 kilometres an hour. Pretty much straight out there going. What a lovely evening. Oh, it's beautiful. Now, although it hasn't got any rear suspension, the front suspension definitely takes up all the bumps. Really smooth ride, really surprising. Yeah, I was a bit worried because it had no rear suspension, but I don't think I needed to be worried at all. Really quite nice. I think I've got the handlebars on a little bit crooked. We can adjust them later. It's not a problem at all. I think my daughter's going to love it. What do the brakes work like though? That's the big question. Are those hydraulic brakes any good? Let's get up to some speed, find a straight road and put those anchors on. Yes, the brakes work really well. What they would do after all their hydraulic brakes. Right, I want to go for a nice leisurely ride on this now. Clock up some miles, take it through all the gears, just to give it a good, yeah, a bit of a test as it were, good road test. I nearly hit the post of the barn then. There we are. That's the Eleglide M2 electric mountain bike. I think it's fantastic. For 615 quid you get you get an electric e-bike with hydraulic brakes, 21 gears. You can't go wrong, I don't think. Definitely gets a thumbs up from me, and I want to say thank you to Eleglide for sending me this bike. I will be giving it to my daughter for her birthday. I can't thank him enough. I will leave a link in the description of this video purely for your convenience. Go check them out. After all, it has got a quick release front wheel, perfect for any camper van. Speaking of which, I've got to get this in my van now and go and see my daughter. I think she's going to love this. Thank you, Eleglide. Right, where do I put the keys? You can tell I've had fun because I've swallowed a fly or two. Let's get this back in the van. Don't ever throw these little red clips away, because if you take the front wheel off with a bike that's got hydraulic brakes, you do need this to stop those discs coming together. Allow me to demonstrate. So we take the wheel off. Oh, look at that, and it stands up without touching the brake caliper. That's brilliant. Put that in there. Look at that. Oh, I'll show you what I mean. You see that? Whoop. The little red clip that stops the pads going together if you do happen to pull the brake lever by mistake. It's going to come in easier than it came out, for sure. There we go. Nice and easy. Simple as that, really. Right. Right, so I'm going to go off to see my daughter and present her with the Eleglide M2 electric mountain bike. Right, let's go. There's your birthday present.
Okay. Oh, what is this? Oh. Oh, have you got me an electric bike?
Yep, that's the charger for it.
Really? Oh, wicked. Oh, thanks. And those Allen keys. Oh, cool. When did it come in?
It's outside.
Oh. Oh, wicked. Oh, no way. Oh, pop. Oh, look at that.
Do you like it?
Yeah. That is sick. And it's got keys as well. That chain. Thanks. Oh, yeah, it will be on wheels. Come here.